Alright, so we're back. Now we're going to program this. First thing I'm going to do is reset it. So CV8, write it as 8. Now to reset that. And then we're going to go ahead and read the decoder to see if it reset, which it should have. Give it a minute. It is Digitrax. Just be patient, it'll come. Okay, so CV3 is, or address 3, I'm sorry, is set at 1, and then number 2, we're going to write 8636. I like the long address on these. And you'll also see CV29 value is 46 or 45. Usually when you reset it, it'll be set on the two-digit address at CV6 or 14. But you just want to go over the manual or look it up, Google it, Digitrax, CV29 values. Even though it's a lockdown decoder, it has NMRA standard, so it's all pretty much the same. Yeah, and then we're just going to read this back to see if it went through. And there you go, CV task completed. So that's done. So now let's put it on the live track and run it and see what see if it works or not. I'm sure it will. There are all these repairs, you never know. Yeah, make sure that is the right throttle, buddy. Yeah, light's functioning, the sound is on, it's good. Let's try to move it, and there we go, it's moving. Of course, these are all default values. If you want to take the momentum off, all that good stuff, you can for consist, but it's up to you. And then basically just a few more tests, back and forth. Make sure there's no noise in the gear train. If there is, you might want to go back. So once it hits the corners and starts turning, the gears will make even louder noises. Alright, let's see what it's going to look like on the layout. And there we go, we got a runner, lights working, sounds on. Don't mind the sticker, I have 2 of these, so I like to keep a little small post-it in there so I know which address is this one. This one actually got changed to 8639, but that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching Renegade Model Railroading. Take care now.